Welcome back. So we have understood what is Azure DevOps platform and how to create it. Now in this session we are going to quickly create Azure DevOps. So it's very simple. So now you can click here. Now you will see DevOps. So this is Azure DevOps platform. So click here. So you have to give some more the details, so like your name and again your email ID in my country, and I don't want to receive any information. Click on the continue. Now here, this is my profile name. Of course you can see my email. So first thing first, it's asking us to create the organization as I have explained. So first things first, what we'll be doing, we are creating a organization. So click create an organization, and again we need to accept this. Click on continue. Here we need to give our organization name. So here I can give the cloud advisory, then continue. And don't worry, see the screen what you see, right? So this is UI and it always get changed. So process is always remain same. Now you are the DevOps engineer, right? So creating these accounts and this uh, different platform should not be problem for you. Now we see this organization got created, the cloud advisory, and from here we can create another organization. So first thing first, what we need to do, we need to create the project, right? I'm creating here, let's say demo project, and create the project. Now we are ready for doing any hands-on. Well, so anyways, this was just a small demo to show you how to create Azure DevOps platform. Now this is ready. In the next session, we are going to understand Azure DevOps pipeline. This is just my demo account I have created to show you how to create a DevOps account and Azure DevOps platform, but I'm not going to use it because I have already another account. I'm going to use that account for all these hands-on. Thank you so much.